Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NAKD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, so that's where the 16-cent mark comes into play. And I'll be honest to say that I never really said anything in the video from Wednesday, but I got this one wrong. I thought this was end of story, game over. I thought this thing was just not, if anything, I thought it'd just continue to drift downwards, but it did the exact opposite thing today. It actually showed some signs of strength and worked their way upwards, and you got an expanding box where I figured, the box would just kind of expand in the downwards direction. So yeah, now does that mean that this thing's getting ready to go back up to 28 cents? I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that after yesterday where the price had entered down below that 16-cent mark, things were not looking very good at all. But now after today, the price actually worked its way back above there, and we'll see if the price can actually stay up above it. So that brings, the first update into just making 16 cents once again back to being that area of support. So let's see if 16 cents can indeed now support the price and stay up above it. If the price falls back below it, well then again, as I've talked about in past videos, that is literally just putting the price right back in this area of the chart. And, movements with genuine power don't go back to where they were. They at least show signs of progress. And, the sign of progress right now would be, staying up above that 16-cent mark. So we'll see if the price can stay up above it. But, from just simply the price making some upwards movement today, that's definitely a start in the right direction. Now, if this upwards move is going to continue and build upon the momentum that was established today, first key level of resistance to keep an eye on is going to be that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. That's sitting there at 18 cents. And then the next level, not that far away, is that pink line, which on my chart denotes the 200-day simple moving average. So that would be the next couple areas to watch. So in other words, between 18 to 19 cents are going to be the next key levels of resistance. And not that those have to be broken on Friday or even early next week. The idea here now is that because the price has worked its way upwards, even if it just goes sideways for a little bit, builds that higher base, and then starts to work its way back upwards, that's, very healthy too. But overall, you got to give credit where credit's due. The bulls performed nicely and, flex their muscles once again, but, still work to be done. So let's see if the price and, the bulls can continue on with the work. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.